Yes, let's log in to our browser. I show you. So after opening your browser, uh, you type on iTax. Yeah. After opening iTax, it uh it will take you to their portal. Yeah. After loading, yeah, this is the portal of KRA pin. KRA. So first step, uh, it will require you to enter your PIN or your user ID. So the user ID is A0129011113Y. Then don't worry about the small letter. So just continue on. Just continue. So the next step, it will require you to enter your password. So yeah, there's a function cannot be used for password. So I'll just enter it manually. So I'll enter my password manually. Then next step, we're going to do arithmetic calculation. So that will be 100 and that will be 70. Then after doing that, you log in. So after logging in on your KRA portal, so we'll just go straight to the point by selecting returns. Yeah, after selecting returns, it will bring some details here. Type of return, tax PIN. The tax PIN is your KRA PIN. Then we have tax obligation. So on this tax obligation, there's a dialog where there's a ribbon below where you can select. So as for me, I will select tax income tax resident individual. Then I select next. Then it will bring me these details, income tax individual form. So it will require me to click on one of the links. These are the links. So I'll be filling my P9 form using one of these links. So I'll be using the one for Excel. So let me show you how to do it. So this is my Excel sheet. So first step, you're going to enter our KRA pin. KRA pin is A01290 triple 3Y. Then next, you're going to put you have type of return. You're going to select there's a arrow that's the end of it. We select the arrow and we select original because this is the past returns we are making. Then we are going to the next point is the return period. So return period we're going to do for last year. So that will be 1st of January 2024. Then return period 2 will be 31st of December 2024. So the second step, it will ask us if we have any income tax other than the income we have. So I will say no. Then do you have any partnership income? I will say no. Do you have any trust income, I would select no. As the employer provided you with a car, I will select no. Do you have any mortgage? Say no. Do you have a health ownership second plan? I will select no. Do you have any insurance policy? I say no. Do you have a commercial vehicle? Say no. Do you have any income from a foreign country? I will say no. Do you have any issued exemption certificate for disability? I'll say no. So when you reach here, there's no need for you to answer the ones that are lighted with black. I'll just go to the next step, which I will enter my employment income details. Then I download my P9 form. So after downloading it, I'll put so yeah. So I'll be entering these details. So my employer's carrier pin is this one. So it's P05. It's P05 P05. Then I will increase my visuality 7. So it is P05207 and then 2056U. Then I'll go back and enter the name of the employer as indicated on the P9. So it will be Commission Public Health and Like Office months. So next, I'm going to insert my gross pay. So this is my P9 form. On the P9 form, there's a column for gross pay. On below is this one. So I'll be using this one. Yeah, so that will be 130,289. Well, we're going to insert it here. It's 130,284. So next step, you're going to be asked the allowances and benefits from the employer. As for this case, we don't have any benefits or allowances. So it does indicate 0. Next step, you'll be asked value of benefit. Yeah, so it is you leave it blank. Then next step, will be asked net value of housing. This one also is not indicated on the tag on the P9 form. You'll just indicate 0. We are done with that one. So yeah, so our total pension also is there's a black highlight, so we don't need to fill that blank form. So our total employment income is 130,284. So we'll go next. Next, it will show our deduction. is the details of pay deducted at a source from a salary. So the first step will be putting the employer's KRA PIN. Then the name of the employer is Provision Public H and S Office Nyanza. So we'll go back to our P9 form to check the taxable salary. So taxable salary is on this column. So the total taxable chargeable income is 122,920. So we'll come to our Excel sheet and enter 122,920,000. So the next step will be tax payable on the taxable salary. So this one will get on the second column, which indicates is 12,292. So it will be 12,292 shillings. Then the amount of tax deducted, in bracket the payee. So payee on the P9 form, you will get it on the far end of your P9 form. So which indicate 0 according to this P9 form. So we indicate 0. So the far end, it will indicate the total payee amount. So on the last step, I'm going to show you how to complete the next step. So the next step indicates the tax computation. So for this return, will indicate defined old pension contribution. We can find it on the P9 form. So this one will get it on the retirement and contribution and owner occupied interest. So the total defined contribution is 7,364. So we just come to Excel sheet and enter the amount is 7,364. 364. Yes, 364. So we have the blank pages. This post-retirement medical fund. According to this P9 form, it doesn't match with that post-retirement medical fund. Affordable house levy, the same to that. Housing levy, the same to SHIF. It will indicate 0. So on the far end, always make sure on the tax due it remains 0. So for this one is 0. So and also remember on the personal relief is always 28,800. So I'm going to validate my data. So I'm going to show you how to validate your data. Just click on this button and wait for it to load. So it will answer the sheet is ready to be uploaded. Do you want to generate the uploaded file? Then you say yes. So always remember where the location of where the file has been saved. For this case, we are going to go to documents. Then it will be 5th of May 2025. This one. This one is time. It's 7 o'clock and 56 minutes. Yeah. So the KRA pin is defined. So you just click OK. So after doing that, we just go straight to the browser. Yeah. And yeah, something like this. So we go to this. The type of return is original return. The period is this one, 1st of January 2024 to 31st of December 2024. The upload form we are going to upload by choosing the file. When you can't find it, just scroll down. Yeah, this one is the one. It is 5th of May 2025 at 7:56. The carry pin is A01 290 111 3Y. So just click here and open. So yeah, after doing that, we just allow the file by agreeing the terms and conditions. After doing that, we just submit. Yes, it will ask you, do you want to upload the form? We say okay. Yes, so we have it. We have the receipt. I'll just simply download. Yeah, download it. So and we open it. So yes, it will bring you something like this, and that's how you do your returns by using the P9 form.